So let me guess something about you. You want to speak better English. You want to sound confident, fluent, and natural. But when it comes to actually practicing, suddenly your blanket is more comforting than your room, isn't it? If you are lazy but ambitious about speaking English, I promise you this video will make you see yourself differently. And by the end, you will have three habits you can start just today. People think lazy learners don't care, but that's not true at all. You do care. You watch videos. You imagine yourself speaking fluently. You imagine talking to people confidently, but you get overwhelmed, or you feel shy, or you think, what's the point? My English is bad anyway. This isn't laziness. This is fear mixed with ambition, a dangerous and beautiful combination. So let me tell you a real story from a book you may know, The Alchemist. There's a character who dreams of traveling the world but keeps polishing the same shop floor every day because he is afraid of starting. So many English learners do the same. You want to speak, but you keep polishing your plan, buying notebooks, watching videos, saving vocabulary list, waiting for the perfect time. But guess what? The perfect English doesn't begin when you are ready. It begins when you're willing. So I'll be very honest. Even I used to have days where I planned everything and did nothing. I'd write goals, speak 30 minutes in English every day, learn 20 words, watch one TED talk, and then I would do none of it. One day, I read a line in Atomic Habits that changed my whole approach. If you can't make it easy, it won't make it happen. And that's when it hit me. English doesn't need perfection. It needs small, lazy, friendly action, my dear friends. Lazy but ambitious learners are actually powerful. You know why? Because you don't waste time in useless methods. You look for shortcuts which often turn out to be smarter techniques. You learn fast when something clicks. You are highly creative. You can learn in bursts and make huge progress suddenly. Some people study for hours and improve slowly. But some lazy learners study for minutes but with clarity and improve faster. Your laziness isn't your enemy, it's your compass. Believe me. So I'm going to provide you 3 habits that will improve your English fast. So habit 1, the 2-minute speaking rule. Tell yourself, I will speak English for just 2 minutes today. Record a voice note, talk to yourself, talk to your mirror, just 2 minutes. And here's the magic. You will always end up speaking more. This trick alone can transfer your fluency in weeks. So habit number 2, English through life method. Instead of studying English, live in English. Lazy learners love this because it doesn't feel like studying. So here's the start. Start with small things like change your phone language, watch 5 minutes of an English clip, repeat one sentence from a movie, or narrate your day in English like I am cooking, I am tired, I want coffee. Micro habits build massive fluency. Habit number 3, the one new sentence a day technique. So, my dear friends, don't learn 20 new words. Just learn one sentence you use in real life. For example, could you repeat that please? Let me think for a moment. Each sentence is a tool. Collect one tool every day, and suddenly your communication becomes smooth, confident, and natural. So, my dear friends, English doesn't grow with vocabulary, it grows with usable sentences. So, if you're lazy but ambitious, you are not a lost cause. You are not slow. You are not behind. You are just someone who needs a simple, low pressure path to your dreams. That's it. And your dreams is not silly. Speaking better English, communicating confidently, opening doors that were once closed. These are real dreams, my friends. The moment you stop fighting your lazy side and start working with it, you become unstoppable. So if today's video made you feel seen, so comment below lazy but learning. And if you want more English learning motivation and speaking habits, hit subscribe. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.